Hello everyone, my name is Salman Ali and today we will discuss about best web hosting for beginners. If you are beginner and start to blogging, so here's the list of web hosting that are cheap and good. So six cheap and friendly users web host looking for the best web hosting for beginners. If you are just getting started, making a website, reading some lists of hosting providers suggested and feel everywhere. People are listing of features like PHP version and HTTP, while you are probably just looking for a simple beginner-friendly way to make website. To help, we have collected six web hosting option beginners based on such how easy to create and manage your website and what convenient features are host and added to make your life easier. So we will start by the starting the criteria that we are used make list when we will share opinions on the best web hosting for our beginners based on the criteria. Here is the six host: Host, SiteGround Host, Hostinger, DreamHost, and Flywheel and Wix. What make for the best web hosting beginners? Here is the criteria that one-click website installer, a beginner-friendly host should make it easy to install WordPress or whatever software you want to use to your website. Typically, you will get one-click installer where all you need to do is enter some basic details and the tool handles every else. Use-friendly dashboard. There is a more managing your site, then use one-click installer use and so here is the affordable and pricing. If you are beginner, you probably don't want to start off with an expensive host. You can always upgrade as your site grows, but it's much better to start an affordable opinion until you learn the ropes and understand the resources that your site needs. Number one is a video host. Video host is a popular web host that makes a great opinion for our beginners thanks affordable pricing and beginner friendly onboarding process. Top features for beginners: simple setup, wizards, one-click installers, custom hosting dashboard, automatic WordPress update, fee, email hosting, and 24/7 support. Pricing is the pricing basic from 2.75 per month for a single website. Number two is the SiteGround. SiteGround is one of the most popular web hosting with the first class reputation stretching for a wide for a Canada, Singapore. You can buy. Here is the pricing for a SiteGround. So number four, three is a hostinger. Most common जो है ये hosting free hosting opinion है उसके बाद pricing. Here's the pricing list. Single shared 1.99 per month for a single website and one email account. Number four is a DreamHost. DreamHost is another affordable and a beginner-friendly hosting that created a custom dashboard and hosting experience. If you want to WordPress, DreamHost even offered WordPress website builder that will guide you through starting up a custom WordPress website. DreamHost also offer an affordable month billing opinion where the previous three hosts all make you pay for at least 1 year of time. WordPress website builders. Here's the pricing of our this one. Starting from 2.59 per month for a single website, unlimited for 3.95 per for on websites. Number 5 is a Flywheel. Flywheel की pricing क्या है जी? Flywheel is a little pricier than these other hosts, but it does not include an affordable opinion for a website. Tiny 13 as per month for a 500 monthly visitors and it's 25 for 25,000 visitors per month. Wix. Okay, Wix is not like a web. It is a hosted website builder tool. However, if you beginner, it might actually be your best opinion because it is completely eliminate hosting from the equations. So here is the some information about Wix. This is the video about best hosting providers for beginners. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you want more videos like this, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.